So hello guys, welcome to another video of 100 days of 100 coding questions challenge. Today is our 56th day of this challenge and we had completed 55 problem of the days on Leetcode in the last 55 days. So let's begin with today's problem, that is problem number 2053, that is a kth distinct string in an array. So it is an easy level question and the topics that are included in this question is array, hash table, string and counting. So it is a basic hashing questions. We can use a counting sort or a hash map in this question or a frequency array in this question, depending on your convenience. So let's start with the question. The question is stating that a distinct string is a string that is present only once in an array. So it is a definition of a distinct string that is saying that if a string is present only once in an array or the frequency of any string is 1 in that array, so it is a distinct string. Okay, given an array of strings, that is ARR, and an integer k, return the kth distinct in string present in ARR. If there are fewer than k distinct strings, return an empty string. Okay, so it is a very easy level question that is saying that we have given an array ARR and a integer k. So we have to return the kth distinct string from that array, and if the kth distinct strings are not in that array, we have to return a empty string. Okay, so let's see if we have given this array. So if I have this array, so first of all, I will count the frequency of every string. So for that, I will use a hash map. A hash map stores a value in a key value pair. So first value of that hash map will be my string, and the second value of that hash map will be my frequency of that string. So if I have d, so I am storing that d as 1. That is, d is appearing one time in that string array. Okay, so next string is b. So b is also appearing one time. Then I have c, so c is also appearing one time. Then I have b, so b is appearing second time in this string, so I will increment the frequency of b. Then it comes c, so I will increment the frequency of c, and then a, so a is appearing only once, so a is appearing 1. So it is a hash map that stores the frequency of every strings that are appear in that ARR array. So I have to return the kth distinct string, that is k is 2. So the first distinct string is d and the second distinct string is a, so I have to return a. So this is the approach of that of this code. So let's design the code. So I will make an unordered map that will store string, and an integer, and I'll name it as MP. So now I have to do hashing. So for that I will use a for each loop that is string a in ARR and MP of a plus plus. Okay, so it will give me the array, or sorry, hash map of the frequency of every string in that ARR. So now I have to return an answer. So I'll make an answer string that will be empty at first. Okay, if I have nothing, or I have lesser distinct strings than k, so I have to return an empty string. So I will return answer, and in the between I have to code my logic. So according to my question, I have to count the distinct strings from begin. So for that I will use a for each loop that will traverse in ARR and pick a single string and count the and see the frequency of that string, and will return me the answer, or equals the answer as that string. So for that I will make a counter that will count the distinct strings from begin. Okay, at first its value will be 0, and if the frequency of any string that will appear in ARR from starting is equal to 1, so MP of a is equal to 1, so it is my distinct string. So I will make count plus plus, and if at any place count is equal to k, I will break my loop. Before breaking, I have to equal that string to answer. So I have to make str, and here also I have to make str. So str equal answer equal to str, and from here I'll break. So it will give me the answer. So hopefully it will run. Yes, it is running fine, and let's submit in it and see if it is running fine and passing all the test cases or not. So yes, it is running absolutely fine and passing all the test cases. Let me submit it again and see if it is running much faster. No, it is not. So it is the solution of today's code. By this, I have completed today's problem of the day and the 56th day of this challenge. That is 100 days of 100 coding questions challenge. And if you have any problem in this code, I will be leaving the code or solution link in the description. From there, and you will direct to the repository that is Leetcode daily repository. I have uploaded all the code of the days of our challenges here. You can tally the code here from here. And yes, thank you for today.